Hello, welcome to the Pitt PS Mobile Validating Enrolling in a Class training video. In this video, I will be explaining the enrolling and validating processes in the Pitt PS Mobile app. The Pitt PS Mobile app is used by students to perform various functions, such as adding and dropping classes to their schedules. There are several ways to use Pitt PS Mobile. One way is by going through my.pitt.edu. However, this video will focus on using the mobile phone app, which was downloaded from the Pitt App Store. Navigation to the class search page is Pitt PS Mobile app, PS Mobile login, and class search. An important concept to keep in mind to validating enrolling in a class is that students can only validate classes prior to the term's first day enrollment appointment date. This date can be found in the Open Enrollment Dates section in the Student Center or on the enrollment calendar, which can be found at www.registrar.pitt.edu/calendars.html. Now let's begin. First, notice that my screen appears as it would if I were using a mobile device. The navigation icons stack on top of each other, and I can click the PS Mobile Login button, which takes me to the dashboard. If I click the menu button, it will open all of the available links. Because I am using a desktop, I'm going to expand my screen, but keep in mind that there is no difference in functions when using a PC or a Mac. To continue with the process, on the Pitt PS Mobile main page, locate the PS Mobile Login button. This now takes you to the dashboard. Notice the different links on the page. To enroll in a class, just click the class search link. This now brings up the search options for classes. Notice how the term defaults to the current term. You can change the term by simply clicking the drop-down and selecting another term. For this example, we are just staying with fall. Next, I need to select the campus where I want to take the class at. Notice that this is a required field, just as it is in the Student Center. I am choosing Pittsburgh campus for this example. After campus, I need to choose my academic career, which is undergraduate. Now, I just need to add my subject, mathematics. Notice how the Show Open Classes Only checkbox is checked by default. This means our search is not going to provide closed or waitlisted classes. Once those are all set, I just scroll down and click Search. After this is completed, you can see all of the open, available math classes. I just want to enroll in College Algebra Part 1, so I click on section 1070. This provides me with all of the class details, such as the instructors, days, and time, as well as the room. More information about the class is provided when I scroll down. Once I go back to Class Actions, I can add this class to my cart. The next step is to add the required lab or recitation. This section has only one recitation to choose from, so I just click the radio button and then continue. I do not need a permission number, and I want this class's grading to be letter grade, so just click Save. This takes us to the shopping cart, where I can validate this class, which means I can find out if I am eligible to enroll in the class or not. The process is simple. I just click the checkbox for my class and select the Validate button. As you can see, this class is OK to add. I then click OK, and I can select the Enroll button. Once I agree to the promissory note, just click Enroll. The result is a success, and the class has been added to my schedule. You can now see my shopping cart is empty, and I can view my schedule, and see that Math 0010 lecture and recitation have been added. Let's take a look at what a class looks like that is not OK to add after validating it. I went ahead and added Math 0200 lecture and recitation to my shopping cart, and now I just need to validate it. The results for this class explain that I have not met the enrollment requisites, which are listed below. I then click OK, and I can just delete this class from my shopping cart. This concludes how to enroll and validate classes using Pitt PS Mobile. If you have any questions or would like to schedule additional training, please contact the Enrollment Services area and the University Registrar's Office at 412-624-7649 or registration@registrar.pitt.edu. And also, for more student training videos, please visit the University Registrar's Office website at www.registrar.pitt.edu/studenttraining.html.